Honda Activa electric Scooty. Specifications: power and performance, max power, 6 kilowatts, rated power, dash, max torque, 22 Newton meters, top speed, 80 km/h. View more +11. Battery and charging. Battery capacity, 3 kilowatt hours. Charging time 0-100%. Dash, charging time 0-80%. Dash, battery portability, 2 portable battery 3 kilowatt hours. View more +12. Brakes and wheels. Braking system, CBS, front brake type, disc, front brake size, 160 millimeters, caliper, front, dash. View more +9. Suspensions and chassis. Front suspension, telescopic forks. Rear suspension, 3-step adjustable spring-loaded hydraulic. Front suspension preload adjuster, dash. Rear suspension preload adjuster, dash. View more +1. Dimensions. Curb weight, 118 kilograms. Seat height, dash. Seat length, dash. Ground clearance, 171 millimeters. View more +5. Manufacturer warranty. Battery warranty, 3-year of 50,000 kilometers. Motor warranty, 3-year. Report incorrect specifications. Features: instrument cluster, instrument console, digital, touchscreen display, no. Display size, 5-inch, digital display type, TFT. View more +18. Safety and convenience. USB charging port, yes. Keyless lock unlock, dash. Cruise control, no. Start type, self-start. View more +9. Mobile app monitoring. Battery status, no. Live charging status, no. Nearby charging stations, no. Vehicle location tracking, no. View more +2. Lights, headlight type, LED. Projector headlamp, dash. Dual lights, dash. Boot light, dash. View more +5. Seat and storage, under seat storage, dash. Front storage box, yes. Document storage, no. Helmet hooks, dash. View more +4. Thank you for your feedback. Was this helpful? Additional features. 5.0-inch TFT instrument cluster. Each smart key, smart find, smart safe, smart unlock and smart start.